Whew. I'm sweating, but it's raining. Whew. I don't know. I'm Steven. That's Scarlett. Let's get to work. You gonna work today? You just gonna watch? Yeah, I figured you supervise. Here's the 10-second plan. Build the wall, finish the wall, hang some rafters. It's gonna be just that easy. That's what I keep telling myself. Oh, we'll see. You never know. It might be just that easy. Fire ants. They don't want to play. No. Can you see her? You want to be in the shot? There you go. All I'm trying to do is get the end of this in the same plane as that rim joist. Cut my green plate long just to make sure I had enough. Whoever built it did a good job for it to take tree damage and still be close. Let's go find some AC, girl. It's hot outside. Whew. I'm sweating. Heavy. Would you believe me if I told you this building was still level? It is. It's impressive. Good to know, though. Ants. Man, ants. Man. They don't play when you're on a ladder. Last time you were up here, you overheated. Don't do that. Please? Wow, you're heavy. One, two. All right. One. How'd it look? Looks dark to me. Let's go home. You ready to go work? Ready to go work? Good news, sun's not out. Bad news, storm front's coming in. You gonna work today? You just gonna watch? Yeah, I figured you supervised. Whew. I can feel the muggy. There's the sun. Oh man, that sun is killer. Good girl. Oh, you can sit now? You wanted to dance earlier. I don't blame you. I'd dance for a biscuit too. Why is it so high? I needed a break after getting that sheeting up top. It's only 88 degrees, but the feels like temperature is 103. And it's not getting cooler, it's getting hotter. So, it's rough out there. So, I'm optimistic. I'm gonna get it done. Just keep swimming. Swimming in sweat, but just keep swimming. I don't know. Scar, check my hair. Scarlett just reported back on the air. She said it's fine. She also said she didn't have thumbs, so she couldn't adjust the knob anyways. Which is also, I guess, you know, fine. You ever dealt with the structure of that boat? Those boards were meant for boats. Oh, I need more muscles. Whew. Well, it's up there. I want you to see how bowed these 2x4s are. And thankfully, I don't think I'd ever say this normally, but thankfully they didn't cut a bird's mouth in anything. So it's a full 2x4, 3.5 inches of bearing. But as you see, this one's broken. Those had some rot. These are structurally fine, but 50 years of sitting like this has caused them to bow really badly. And yeah, that's over 8 foot. You're almost at 3.5 inches of dip in this roof. And these kickers had a strong back right here, which actually took the span, cut it down, and put the weight right into the floor system. So unfortunately, that's not what we got now, but I'm gonna jack these up, hopefully make them a little straighter, get some of that bow out. But we'll see what we can do. Let's see if we can put a strong back in and make it a little bit better. Ooh, that's heavy. Soaking wet too. Ooh. Well, my goal for the week was to get it dried in. Didn't make the goal, but that's okay. It's got a huge hydric buffer capacity, so it can hold a lot of water and not rot. So it will dry. I'm just hoping nothing gets damaged during the storm because it's not as structurally sound without the rigidity of the diaphragm of the roof on there. But we'll see how bad the storm actually gets. Scarlett and I, we're going to go get dry too. But stay out of the lightning. Till next time.